Hey everyone, this is Saucy the Towboat Chef. Well, I realized when I was cleaning up my phone to back up all my videos that I've been doing so far, there's some videos I forgot to publish. And this is going to be one of them. This is from when I went out on the boat, my first day of going right out there. So I'm going to show you that one. Now, at the end, of course, it does say I would do a tour of my galley. I totally forgot to do that. So I don't have that video, but I'm going back out on the same boat, so I will definitely be doing a tour of the galley for you. All right, but this video here is one of my missed videos I forgot to publish. I do have another one that will be coming out probably Thursday on the day that I go out to the boat. And that is just different views from my galley window. So until then, let's just watch this one, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh, by the way, new Hero Soap commercial. Make sure you see it all the way to the end of that. You will die laughing. All right, see you guys in a bit.
That's right. Every time I have a shower, I have my Hero Soap. Get some Hero Soap.
Okay, you guys, I'm trying to have a shower. Maple, quit drinking the water. Badge, move over, will ya? I want to show my soap. Come on, get out of the way, you guys. Ah, damn.
This is Saucy, the TBB, and I know there's room in here for the three of us. All right, Badger, now move over. Let me show you how it's done. I got the body wash from Hero Soap, lavender scent. Well, peeps, made it to the boat dock. Our boat, way down that way. So, waiting for the skiff to come back and pick us up. It was full of luggage. I wonder who had the most. I'm innocent. Yeah, right. All right, see you in a few. Well, it's that time to tour my room. So, now mind you, I haven't unpacked yet. So, I'm going to show you the before and the after. Okay, here's my bed. It's right by the door. Got a calendar and everything. Here's my bed. There's a dresser. And of course, all my luggage. There's another dresser. I like that part. Of course, we need a heater, but check that out. Guess where I'm going to spend my afternoon naps? Lounged out in that. Got my water for my coffee maker. I'll show you how I set it up. And yes, there's a TV. Nice mirror. Make sure I look beautiful in the morning. Yeah, right, okay. And we have that crowbar there. To bust out that window if we need to. But yep, this is what our room looks like. Now here's the bathroom. Got a shower, toilet, And of course, all the amenities. So, hi. Alright, I'll show you the after. Okay, and here's the after. My bed's all made. Got everything unpacked. Yes, I use all that stuff. That's, of course, getting low. I'm getting low. I'm down to this much now. But I know there's another box coming. I can't wait. But yep, it's all my stuff. Yes, I got dirty clothes. I just didn't have time to wash before I left. But yeah, I'm going to be relaxing in that. Found some parchment paper in some of these drawers down here. Use the top 2 drawers on this. And I'm good. Now, mind you, God, do I have a piece of dirt in my head? Well, it's just the lighting. God, it looks like I was bruised. Doesn't it look like I got bruised? Oh, no, why didn't I get beat up on this boat? I hate this lighting. Anyways, I'm not going to show you my bathroom. You don't need to see my bathroom. No, so I have all my personal stuff out. You don't need to see my bathroom. All right. Well, people, I'm on the boat. My next video will be tour the galley. Wait till you see this galley. All right. Talk to you later.